Hello kids, today we will learn A to Z and color name. Dark green color, white color, purple color, sky blue color, black color, pink color, gray color, is pink color, light green color, red color, blue color, orange color, yellow color, brown color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Red color A. A for alligator. A for alligator. Orange color B. B for bus. B for bus. Blue color C. C for cat. C for cat. Yellow color D. D for drum. D for drum. Pink color E. E for eye. E for eye. Light green color F. F for frog. F for frog. Is pink color G. G for grapes. G for grapes. Sky blue color H. H for helicopter. H for helicopter. Red color I. I for ink. I for ink. Orange color J. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Blue color K. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Yellow color L. L for lemon. L for lemon. Pink color M. M for milk. M for milk. Light green color N. N for nest. N for nest. Is pink color O. O for onion. O for onion. Sky blue color P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Red color Q. Q for quiet. Q for quiet. Orange color R. R for rose. R for rose. Blue color S. S for sun. S for sun. Yellow color T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Pink color U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Light green color V. V for volleyball. V for volleyball. Is pink color W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Sky blue color X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Yellow color Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Pink color Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.